Disable hate forever. Hello, I'm Ranjan Kumar, founder Mystic Fusion International and authentic self-leadership coach. Well, I just had an insight and I thought I'll share it with you. Is it possible to live a hate-free life? And I'm not going to talk about forgiveness practice. What I felt is there a way that you can put it in a perspective that can help us escape that loop of negative emotions that we undergo when we hate somebody? And here's my take on it. My understanding is that, we are never born with the habit of hating somebody. We don't even know what hatred is until at some point when we picked it up, when we developed it circumstantially, or you learned it from others subconsciously. But love is something that we are born with. So I understand that what you actually hate is not the person. What you actually hate is something about that person contextually. So you might temporarily be stuck in an illusion that you are actually hating somebody, whereas the reality is that you are hating somebody in a particular reality that you have created based on the context and situation. Whereas, in general, you might not be hating that person. But the capacity to love has not gone anywhere, which means that love is something that we are born with. It's innate. Hatred is something that we picked up from outside, externally, which means that hatred is a part of a thought created reality, which might be true in that particular reality, but when the thought is over and gone, you're sure to fall back into that ocean of love, and you might naturally forgive the person without having to do or practice any forgiving exercise or activity. It's just that understanding that you're not hating the person actually, but you dislike what happened with you because of that person in a circumstance. And when you put this in a right perspective, probably you will pave a path for natural forgiveness, and you will probably escape the loop of karma when you understand that the foundation of love upon which your life and their life is based is common, is the same, and hence neither that person nor you are born with the capacity to hate somebody, or are not even born with the tendency to hate somebody. So the hatred is temporary. At the same time, you might not allow this person once again to do some damage to you in that particular reality. You might not permit them to hurt you once again. But if you understand that hatred is not your natural tendency, and once this illusion of hatred is over, your capacity to love others remains the same. And hence, you needn't be stuck in the feeling of guilt or anger or frustration and finally hatred. Think about it, reflect upon it. Probably this helps you put your hatred in right perspective.